Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to go through a very interesting Google form, and in this form you will realize that Google form is not just easy, it is very powerful as well. I mean, it can solve a lot of problem if it is used correct way. So this is our one of the form, and this is for poultry business, for chickens, ducks and birds and incubator and all kind of that business. It's order come supply information form. It has total 18 sections if you see here, and I will just go through how I did it and bring it together, all the sections. First, let me tell you, this one is the information about the form. This is the title of the form, and once you write this title and click on this form, this one will appear here copied into this form name. So now this form name is same as the title name, right? But I have modified a little bit just for the sake of it. I can actually make it same because it makes sense. Now there is second part of this section. This is section 1, right? So it has two part. This is the description, and then second part is this one. This is question, multiple choice question, and you see on the right side is the tool options. So if you click here, one question will be added. But instead, if you are going to add the same multiple choice kind of question, then you don't need to press this one. Instead, you just click this copy button, and the same information will be copied in the next. Let me show you this one. You see, this one is copied here. I don't need it, so I delete it. Okay. Now the section 1 has two sections. And if I click this new this one, it will be stored in my Google Sheet. I will tell you where exactly in a moment. And that's it. The Google section 1 is done. And you see on the right side, the required button tells that user cannot skip this one. That means they cannot go to the next section until and unless they complete this section. So this will appear as a star, a red star, and that means this one. You see the red star is appeared, and user cannot go to the next because it will be highlighted with this information, kind of a red mark, red border line. And this is required question. That means I have marked this question as required. And there is another options. I'll come in a moment in the next section. Section 2, it has plain information collection questions like contact information, name, phone number, and all these are actually short information, like short answer. When you click this question, you will have this all the options: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, file upload, and all these things. So I choose short answer because your name is a short answer. It's within few characters, and it is also required. Phone number also I marked as a required. And then email I didn't mark as a required because our customer may not be able to enter email, or might not be aware of the email. It's a farmer business, so many farmers don't use email at all. So we as a skip, we just put optional kind of thing. If we don't enable this required, that means this is optional, user can skip it. Preferred contact method, of course the user will choose whatever the method they want it. and then are you buyer or seller. Now here is the trick. Are you buyer or seller is very critical here, because if a buyer select this buyer option, it will jump to section 3. This is the buyer section. And if he chooses to be seller, that means I want to sell, and it will go to seller section. So that's a very important feature the Google form has. And then after section 2, where it should go, it should go to the next section, right? The buyer section. And the buyer section has all this information again, and it also has based on selection, customer choice. If he chooses ordering incubator, that means it will go to subscription section, section number 15. And if he choose chicks, poultries, and then it will go to order request for chicks. That section will come to in a minute. Let me show you first. This is all supply. So we're going here 12, section 12, just so 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. Order request for chicks. So from there it will directly jump into that section. And then spare parts, it will go to 15, and then for birds, chickens, for egg laying, then it will go to 13, and birds, chickens for meat, it will go to 14. For transport, it will go to 15, and others, it will go to 15 as well. So you see, based on answer means, let me show you how it will look like. Enter some random information, phone number, and then email address is not required at all, and just keep empty. A phone number, and then I want to buy, right? Okay, so go to buyer. Here is the ordering, which thing I'm ordering. Let's say egg laying chicken, and ordering this. Next, go to next, and here we get that section. It has what I have selected. I have selected chicken, egg laying chicken, right? So it's going to 13. So what we have in section 13 is this one, ordering request, layered chicken, right? Ordering layered chicken. So now here I can select the breed, for example, chicken Sonali, duck Campbell, duck runner, chicken poultry, broiler, or other. If I like, I can mention here anything I like, for example, Koilar, or there are many breed, actually, so many. Karaknath, Turkey, and so on. I can mention additional type if I wish. And then how many do you need? For example, I need 10,000. And then do you need cock rooster for egg fertility, for hatching chicks from eggs? So if I need, for example, rooster as well, along with this egg laying batch, then I can click yes. How many cock or rooster do you need? You can put answer like 50. I need 10,000, right? So it should be around 1,000 per 10 one cock. And then approximate date when you need it. For example, approximate date, I need 10th of next month. Next. So order request, now subscription. Here which mailing list, if I wish I can select, but this is optional. Okay, and I can go to next, your message, this is also optional. And then terms and condition, of course, there is information is being collected using this form. So there is a little information here given, and you need to agree the terms and condition. Do you agree? Yes. And do you want to submit? Yes. Next. So now the form is submitted. That's it. And after you submit this form, we get this confirmation message, and within that message we have a link that it tells this that you need to fill this form as well, and send the location of your farm in this form. So you have to write your name again if you want, but mobile number is must. So that make sure that you enter your mobile number here, same as when you order your thing using the other form. That way we can actually get the information quickly. And then upload your picture. I'm just selecting random one. And then if you don't want to send picture, you simply can share image, but or if you fail to upload, there is some issue uploading things, and then you can share the URL kind of things, image URL here directly. So that way also it should work, and then you can send the form to us. We'll have a complete information about your location, your detail of what you are requesting. And this form has the title, that image. You can actually customize that image. Let me show you that one, this one. So here is one image, and I have a little bit modified here to give a GPS kind of information. So both form are a little bit different. You see here it's the meat processing outlet, and this is the map. So that's it. I hope you like the Google form, how I did. And the next thing is the settings. Are you collecting the emails? No, because we are email section is optional for our case, so we are not collecting emails. There is possibility that user might edit the form, so we allowed to edit. Okay, and this is all thing. And the presentation is the response text we have edited here. We have given the link to the second form within that, so user can fill this form, or he can always come here in this form, and from here he can actually get the second form. So both way, at the beginning and the end, both time we have given the link to the second form. Why we separated second form? Because second form has file upload the section, and we don't want that in this form, because it will prevent the Google form to be embedded in Google site. If that file upload option is given, then there is a little bit trouble embedding into Google site. So that's why we have separated the file upload form. And what else? Here is the thing, you can click this one to customize the image uploaded. We have uploaded the image from here, and you can choose the theme if you like. Right now I have selected this yellowish color, but if you like, you can change the theme as well. I think this one is let me this theme little bit something reddish. Okay, so this is reddish, and maybe one greenish. Okay, so this is green. Font style formal. Basic. Okay, basic is okay. green is too bright green, so I don't want that one. Maybe dark green is okay. Okay, this one. So yeah, the dark green is better. Let's see, and that's it. Here we have 5 response so far, but this is all my own testing response. And today this form is alive, and hopefully I will start getting responses by tomorrow morning. And let me show you the Google Sheet in the background. Go to response, you have this 3 dot. You can click here and select the response destination. Click here, select the destination, and here you can copy the name of the spreadsheet, or you can choose different sheet if you like. And let me open that Google Sheet. You can search here. Or go to Google Drive. Okay, so it's still project docs. Okay, so let me, this is 61, and I'm going to connect to this folder. So let me create a folder called poultry 002, and within that I want to create a Google Sheet, and this sheet I will connect into with this form. So let me name this order request come supply info form responses. Okay, so yeah, now we can go to this form and connect into, select existing form, select, and then we can choose this search. Yes, we got this. Select spreadsheet linked, and this one also we are going to link, and then go to same, select response destination, select this, select, then paste the name of the sheet, search, and we got the sheet again, select, and now we have linked the spreadsheet as well. I got a call. Thank you, and hope you like this video.